this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day. And all you have to do is basically post content on social media. So how is that possible? Well, I'm going to break it down in this video. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Just drop it in the comments. So what is this? This is a business in a box, right? This is basically, you're going to have your own e-commerce business. When I think of e-commerce, that just means selling things online. So if anybody sells something online, they have an e-commerce business, an e-commerce store, right? And then we teach you how to do digital marketing too, which is basically promoting your business online. So every single business, how do they make money? They sell products, opportunities, or services. This is like an all-in-one business in a box. We give you the products so you don't have to create anything. These are digital programs in the e-learning industry. You can learn from these programs, and then you can resell them, and you keep 100% of the profit because you have master resale rights to these products. That's how you're able to earn 100% profit. You're getting these products, and then the service we offer is you get access to our community where we have 56,000 members. I'm going to show you that in a minute. 56,000 members. You get training, support, live interactive mentoring and coaching from 6- and 7-figure income earners 2 to 3 times a week. We also have daily training from a millionaire. We go on these 90-day runs, and she breaks it down how you can make 30K in the next 90 days, like mindset training, like marketing strategy, content strategy. That's the kind of training she drops every single day. So you get that, and then the opportunity is you can resell these programs and you can make $100, $300, $600, and $900 over and over again simply by reselling products, digital programs that you don't even have to create yourself. The fact that these products are digital means you don't have to worry about shipping, you don't have to worry about refunds, you don't have to worry about inventory, there's no monthly expenses. So this is why I think this is the best out of anything that I've seen online. The fact that you can make $900 or more per sale, you can make $900. That's our top selling product. And there's no limit to how many sales you can get. Okay, so it's high ticket, which I like. It's more fun to make $900 per sale than it is to make $5 per sale. Like if you're selling something for $5, you're gonna have to get a lot of volume to make significant money. But with high ticket marketing, you make 12 sales, that's $10,000. You make 111 sales, that's $100,000. You make around 1,111 sales, that's $1 million. There's like 5 billion people on social media every day. So I love the fact that it's high ticket. I love the fact that you earn 100% profit per sale. I love the fact that there's no monthly fees. And I also love the fact that there's community, there's training, there's support. And we show you step by step how to get customers. We break it down in clear detail. So basically all you got to do is get started, set your business up, plug into our community for training and support, and then just following a 2-hour workday. So basically all you're doing is posting 3 pieces of content daily to social media. You can also go live and copy and paste free ads. That's it. Basically all I do is post content every day. I attract customers, I build my email list, and then the automations do the rest of the work for me. So if you have any questions, just drop into the comments. If you want to learn more about this business, just go here, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Just put in your best email, check out the details. I'm going to send you a free PDF that's going to show you how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. And there's 2 videos you can watch. Look through the website and see if this is a good business opportunity for you. And if the answer is yes, then just get started, because the sooner you get started, the sooner you can make money. Okay. So now I'm going to share my screen and show you how this business works, what it looks like. I'm going to show you proof that people are making money right now simply by reselling these programs. Keep in mind, we teach you how to build multiple streams of income in a variety of ways. But you can also resell these programs if that's all you want to do. Let me share my screen. Okay, this is what a sales funnel looks like. You get to use this exact same sales funnel if you decide to do this business. So here's a capture page. Every time someone goes to your link, you're going to go here to this capture page. What you're doing is capturing people's emails. Every time they put their email in, they become a lead inside of your system. You can keep track of all your leads. You can track everything in your business. So they go here, they put their email in, you're building your email list. Even if you have no experience with this stuff, it doesn't matter, because this is super beginner friendly. You're going to become a pro at digital marketing, building a digital business, and being an online entrepreneur just by going through this program and building this business. Okay. So that's the capture page. That's all we're doing. We're just sending people to this page, right? And then it takes them through the sales funnel. They're going to watch these videos. These videos are doing the selling for you. Okay. There's testimonials here. Like she made 10,000 for March. That's pretty awesome. This person had a $1,300 day, $1,500 day, $1,800 day, $2,000 day, $5,000 in 8 days. That's the kind of stuff that is possible with this business. Of course, results aren't typical, so don't be typical, right? You got to be coachable, you got to take action, and you got to be consistent. Just show up every day like you mean it. Okay, and then here's another video that we send on people's websites. So they're gonna watch the video. Again, there's more testimonials. $600 sale, $7,000 week, first sale, 50K in 2 months for Jessica. That's crazy, right? $3,000 in 6 days. Jessica said she made 50K in 2 months. So she would basically need around 60 sales, and then she made 50K in 2 months. If we're talking about the $900 product, about 50 sales more or less, okay? And then here's the automated system. Here's the sales funnel. Now these pages are out there working for you 24/7, and it takes them here to your sales page or your website, right? So people will choose which program they want to purchase because there's 4 different programs. Unlock 100% profit, earn $300 to $900 a day with a proven 2-hour workday. Okay, so they're going to purchase one of these programs, this education. So it's like you're enrolling in a program, you're learning everything about digital marketing, how to be an entrepreneur, how to launch a digital business, how to make 6 and 7 figures online, attraction marketing, branding, how to grow your social media account from scratch, how to monetize your social media account, how to create your own products, how to create your own communities, build multiple streams of income, email marketing. This is all the kind of stuff you're going to learn inside of these programs and more. Plus, you get free coaching and mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners to help you build your business. How would an extra $300 to $900 per day change your life? Think about it. Like $900 a month, that's $10K a year. $900 a week, that's an extra $40K a year, $45K a year. $900 a day, that's an extra $328,000 a year. Say you start this business now, your goal should be to make like 10K or more before Christmas, so you can have the best holiday of your life. You need to understand the science of getting rich. You need to have a crystal clear vision of what you want. You need some kind of system, some kind of business so money can come to you like this. And then you got to take action every single day, understanding exactly what you want, your purpose, which is your why, which is probably to live a life of freedom, right? You want to live a life of freedom, freedom to travel, freedom to spend time with your family, freedom to not have to work a job. You just want freedom to buy whatever you want. We all want the same thing. The details might be different, but we all want freedom. None of us really want to work a job. Jobs generally mean you're overworked and underpaid. Now, are there exceptions? Yes. But most people don't like to work jobs, myself included. The job means you're exchanging your time for money. When you're an entrepreneur, you get to work whenever you want to work, and you have systems making money for you. Like this business right here is out there working for me 24/7. It can also work for you 24/7 as well. You just got to get started. We have 50,000 members in our community. $29 million was paid out in 10 months to our community. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. You keep 100% of your profits. You can go through our license reseller certification training so you know exactly how to promote these products in an ethical way. Okay. And then there's testimonials. And then this is here. You just put your picture, you put your bio. I have my pictures here. I have my bio here. ChatGPT can help you create a bio too. Imagine if you could earn $900 a day in just 2 hours of work. Imagine working from anywhere. Imagine having freedom to travel. Imagine learning how to build a profitable brand that attracts customers to you. Imagine escaping burnout and finally earn money online the right way. Take control of your financial future without relying on a 9-to-5 job. If you're relying on a 9-to-5 job to make money, you need a better strategy. You need to have a business like this. You need systems out there working for you 24/7. And then you invest the rest of your money in assets because assets make you more money. That's the best way to make money. Exchanging your time for money at a job is not the best way to make money. It's a way most of us know, but it's not the best if you look at it analytically. It's just not the best. So if you want to join this program, start this business, or just learn the skills inside of the program, maybe you don't even want to start a business. You just want to learn these digital marketing skills. To get started with this program, you just purchase one of them. You can get started for $100, $300, $600, or $900. There's also payment plans for each level. All you need is one sale to get your investment back. Let's say you purchase the $900 program. You get one sale for $900, you get your investment back, and everything after that is pure profit. So that's a cool thing. You just need one sale, and your business is free. So many people get hung up on the cost, and they miss out on the value and the opportunity. All you need is one sale, and your business is free. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And this is a global business, so you can get customers from any part of the world. We have customers from every continent except for Antarctica. This is what your website's going to look like, just showing you. Of course, my pictures won't be here. You put your pictures there. You can change the pictures. You can change the words. You can change whatever you want because you're in total control of your business. So here's me hanging out with the creator of this program. She made $10 million 3 years based on digital marketing, everything she's learned about digital marketing. I saw her make her first million in 17 months. This is perfect for you if you want to earn some extra income online, you want financial security, you want to work from anywhere, you're tired of trading time for money, you want a proven system that works, Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You want to create financial peace of mind. You want more time for travel, hobbies, and the people you care about the most. You're looking for a flexible, beginner-friendly business you can grow at your own pace. You've tried other opportunities but struggle to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of building an online business, and you're ready to live life on your terms and finally have the freedom you deserve. If that sounds good, then this is for you, right? Why this works, we're reselling products, and this is proven to work. So many businesses sell iPhones, even though they didn't create them. You don't have to create your own products to make a lot of money. A lot of businesses sell other people's products, like Amazon, supermarkets. So many businesses sell other people's products, and they become rich doing that. You're selling other people's products, and you earn 100% profit. You don't have to create anything. No inventory, no shipping, no headaches. Proven demand products that are proven to sell. Now, if you compare this to affiliate marketing, you earn small commissions. Drop shipping, low margins, high hassle. There's a lot of work that goes into that. Okay, starting from scratch, building your own business, that's a lot of work and that costs money. Doing network marketing, you don't own it. You don't own affiliate marketing, you don't own network marketing, there's small commissions, and you're still working for somebody else. With this business, you earn 100% profit. There's no middleman. You don't have to split your commissions with anybody else. So a lot of these other business models, they only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. They have monthly fees, and you still have to learn how to market if you're going to do one of these other side hustles. Most of the side hustles out there require sales and marketing, which we teach. These are the two most important skills to learn when it comes to making money. Sales and marketing are by far the best skills to learn if you want to make a lot of money. But you also get bonuses, like access to our community for free, where there's mentoring and coaching, which is priceless value. You learn how to create your own communities and monetize them. We have a Canva crash course to help you create content. My first million in 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing. You get 200 digital product ideas. This website is doing the selling for you. These pages are all doing the selling for you. It's explaining things for you. It's doing the selling for you. So you don't have to get on the phone and try to hard close people. You don't have to talk to people because your emails are doing the work for you. So like I said, if you want to get started, just purchase one of the programs. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Check out the details. You can purchase one of the programs there, and then just reply to my emails if you have any questions. Let me show you what happens. Once you purchase a program, you're going to get access to your program and your bonuses inside of Kajabi. This is where you're going to have access to your program. Certification training, your bonuses, and you just want to go inside of the program. If you purchase the $900 program, start at the highest level that you purchase. You don't have to go through each of them individually. So you just go through the program, click here to get started. It's going to show you how everything works, step by step. You don't even need my help because everything's step by step. But if you have any questions, you can reply to my emails or you can email me at any time. One of the first things you want to do is get your website set up. You want to get these pages set up. So to do that, go to GoDaddy. You need to get a professional domain and an email address. You need that for building an online business. Like a professional, it's like kind of important. It's going to show you how to set up your payment gateways like Square, PayPal, Stripe, whatever payment processor you want to use. You can use multiple payment processors. Then you just got to connect your system. You just got to set up these pages, okay? All you're doing is watching these videos, and most of the time you're just copying and pasting information. We show you how to do it step by step. You can get your whole business set up in like a day. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we also have tech done for you services. They will do it for you. You just got to pay them $197 and they'll set up your whole system for you. If you don't want to set it up yourself, but you don't have to, like you can set it up yourself. You just don't want to deal with it. You want to save time or whatever, then you can have them set it up for you. They just go through and you set up your system and it's going to look something like this. You put your email in, make sure you're getting your emails, test the system, make sure all the buttons are going to the right places, everything's connected properly, and then you're ready to go. After you set up your business, there's a training that shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Watch this launch kit for your online business. It's going to teach you your 2-hour workday, choosing your social media platform, understanding social media algorithms, what is attraction marketing, why does it work, who is your customers, who is your perfect customer, storytelling to attract your customers. You're going to learn things like this. It's the information, it's the education. These are educational programs in the e-learning industry, right? You just go through the rest of the training of the program. There's a lot of training, so it'll take you a while to go through all of it. Marketing and social media, discovery method, how to attract and find your ideal customers, mastering storytelling and social media, branding your business, things like this that you're going to be learning and applying to your business. That's where the program's at, that's where the product's at. And now let me go into the community. So we have a training in 25 minutes, millionaire mentoring. That's going to be good. I'll jump on that training. We have a 90-day run that we go on. So we just started our 90-day run, guys. This is day one, right? You just watch this little video.
One of our confidence to cash sprint, 90 days to customer and consistency.
See, we're having a 90-day run. We just started this. You can watch the replays. Every day you're going to get a training from a millionaire. And then you can introduce yourself. You can post your wins. You can ask questions up here. And then let's go to the win section. So I'm going to give you proof that people are making money right now by reselling these programs. Day one of the sprint, $900. I have a 10K goal for the first 30 days. So $900 for day one, $900 first sale. I just went live on TikTok. $300 sale while clocking into my 9 to 5. Most people that start this business, guys, they have a job and they start this business on the side so they have more money and more time so they can maybe quit their job one day, whatever their goals are. Okay. First sale for Alchi. Big win. She made another sale. $900 first sale. A lot of first sales. $900 first sale. So cool. That's straight up proof that people are making money right now with this business. Sunday night, $900 sale. We are excited to help another family turn their financial situation around. So if you're looking to turn your financial situation around, this is for you. If I can do this, so can you. Look at Janie, $1,000 in 1 week. Thank you, Jesus. So pumped for this new run. We got this. Let's go. There you go. I've just showed you proof that numerous people are making sales. And I see these wins every single day. So for me, it's nothing new, but for you, maybe you've never seen this. Here's more training we have in our classroom, getting started training. This is where the 90-day run is. You can watch the mentoring replays. We have all these different trainings you can go through. Social media training, content vault, all kinds of stuff. The calendar shows you where we have our live mentoring calls, like we have one today. We have a mindset call. When is that? That's on the 18th. We have a mindset call. We got all these trainings going on. There you go. Live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure mindset training, millionaire mentoring, all kinds of stuff, right? That's our community. All you got to do is get started, set up your business, and then you just post content to attract customers. Here's my YouTube channel. I'll just give you some examples of content, right? I create long form videos. This video you're watching right now, there's a long form video that I'm going to add to my YouTube channel. I create long form videos like this. I do shorts, just talking videos or 7-second videos with words on the screen, right? B-roll videos. Sometimes I do faceless videos. I'm not showing my face, just words on the screen. And then also on YouTube, it's kind of cool. All my lives are saved. So I go live on YouTube and TikTok or another platform and I save my lives. My lives are on YouTube and people can watch them. And then they also have this thing called posts. I can post pictures, like here's me doing this little story post, creating these images using AI. These images were created with AI. I just post them with words. You can do this on YouTube too. You can use any social media platform you want, but you just got to post content or posting content. Like this has nothing to do with my business. This is just a value post. I'm giving people value. I do posts about my business, but I also do value posts where I'm giving tips, tricks, mentoring, motivation, inspiration, stuff like that. So I'm mixing the value with my business ads, with my business posts, and that's pretty much what you should be doing. Sometimes 3 pieces of content can be value, and then 1 can be about your business. Like 3 value posts, just giving people value, and then 1 post about your business, or you can do it however you want to do it, but just post content every day. Okay. Here's a faceless content. I didn't create that, like AI created this for me. You can create AI images for your business. So that's it. Just to give you some examples of how to create content. If you want to learn more, just go here, 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the description. Just put your email in, check your folders for the blueprint, and reply if you have any questions. Okay, make sure to like this video, share this video if you know someone who's looking to turn their financial situation around. If you know someone who's working too much, working 40 hours a week and stressed out financially, then share this video with them. And make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm always going to be creating valuable content here. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. God bless.